Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Dara Tujana Domista. I am from 11 Mipatu. Now, let me tell you about active rain. Active rain is a broad term that includes all forms of precipitation with an acidic component. Active occurs when CO2 and NOx evaporate into the atmosphere. These particles are then transported by wind and reach with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid and eventually fall back to Earth. In fact, can damage forests, reduce nutrients in the soil, and humans can damage human skin. Okay, all good from me. Thank you for attention and see you.